Hello guys and welcome. I know you've seen this ad. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Yep, it got me too. So what did I do? I went on Amazon because I'm cheap and I didn't want to spend $150. Guess what? I found one. This one was only $50 on Amazon. Now, is it the same thing, you ask? I asked the same thing. I don't know if it's the same thing, but we're gonna get into this one and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and I'm gonna show you how I use it. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. I do a lot of tryout videos. I try to let you know if it's good or bad. I give you my honest opinion. And I do a lot of reviews as well. All right, so you open it up and it comes with this little instruction book here. And this one has 7 different colors, 7-color facial beauty wand. I'm looking it up on Amazon just so I can tell you. It's called the Red Light Therapy for Face, 7-in-1 LED light therapy eye equipment for skincare at home, red light therapy face massager skin rejuvenation light. Okay, so the different colors. Blue, it says calm allergic skin and inhibit wound infection. Red is promote blood circulation and relieve allergic skin. Green is calm sensitive skin, body, and mind. Cyan, promote skin metabolism, strengthen skin tissue. Yellow is relieve skin, I don't even know what that word is, and swelling. And purple, whitening and brightening the skin. White is tighten the skin, improve fine lines, and loose skin. Now, I only really saw like the ones with the red. So by reading these, I would want to use the white because I would want to tighten the skin, improve fine lines, and loose skin. But then what I'm seeing like with all the red light therapy, promote blood circulation. So I think what I'm seeing is that the red light is supposed to help you build collagen, I want to say is what I read. The reviews on this one are actually very good. It's got 4.4 stars out of 5, 720 reviews. It comes in a few different colors. I got the rose golden, and it was $49.98. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's little. I really liked this one. I've seen like the masks, and I didn't really want something big like that because those are, for one, they're expensive. And this I just thought would be cool. I could just be sitting in bed and doing it, you know. Just whatever. So I've been using this. I've been using it for, when did I purchase this? I've been using it since September. I was mostly wanting to focus on my under eyes because I feel like that's where I show my age the most. I definitely have fine lines and wrinkles. Everyone does, I mean, when you smile. But that's what I really wanted to work on and just see if I could build up some collagen there. So far, I'm really liking this thing. I have incorporated it into my skincare routine. I usually do this maybe 3 times a week. In addition to everything else I'm doing, I'm really trying to like focus on my skin more and take care of it. I've been really into Korean beauty. And I forgot to mention, this thing comes with a little charger here, so all you have to do is charge it. And then this thing, I think I've charged it maybe once. Like it has lasted a really long time. I'm gonna show you guys how it works and then we're gonna skip on over to the bathroom and I'm gonna show you my extra over 40 skincare routine right now. And I'll show you how I incorporate this into it. So this is what it looks like. And then you go ahead and push this on button here and you can't, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually vibrating. It feels really, really cool. And then there's the red light. I don't know if you can see it that well. But yeah, so when you put it on your skin, you can actually kind of feel it like pulsating. Oh, and it gets warm. I love how it feels. So you just kind of run it across your skin like that. Like I'll just hold it on there for a few seconds and then just go slowly across like it said to do. And then you can obviously change the colors. Let's see, whoops. So there's blue, yellow, pink is on there. I think that's supposed to be purple. And then, no, that's cyan. There's the white, red, oh yeah, and then the green. I haven't really tried any of the other colors, but maybe I should. Like, I feel like I need to try the white. You run it across your skin. If you have like a serum on or an oil, you can literally feel it kind of like, I don't want to say shocking you, but it kind of like feels like shocks. But I think it's just like the current, what is it called? Microcurrent. So yeah, this is an LED light therapy, microcurrent, therapeutic warmth, vibrating. So the microcurrent, I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to do, but you can definitely feel it. So you want to use it on like a oil skin rather than dry, because it doesn't, I don't know, I just don't really know if it works that well on dry skin. So let's head on to the bathroom and I'll show you guys how I use this. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but I cannot find my ring light plug anywhere. So I have my mirror on my lap right now, so you guys can kind of see what the heck I'm doing. I apologize. The lighting is awful, but this is what we're gonna have to do for now. Okay, so I took off my face makeup. I have my eye makeup on and my eyebrows still on. I may look like I have makeup on, but it's because I did self-tanner yesterday. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys what products I use. I have been obsessed with Shiseido. It's a Korean brand and it is so good. I'm literally on my last leg of this little serum. I ordered a gift set from Target to try the products and I loved them, but they're very expensive. So I don't know if I'll be repurchasing them. I did actually just get a shipment in today from Dermatology. That's gonna be another video because those popped up on my ads like left and right. So I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so the first thing I do is put some of this serum on. The next I'm going, oh, and I don't know if I told you what this one was called. I'll link everything down below. This is their Power Infusing Concentrate. That stuff's like $200, by the way. And then this is their Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. This is the best eye cream I've ever tried. And I've tried a lot. I still do sell a certain skincare. I won't name any names, but it's better than that. And I used to think that was the best eye cream. This beats it. So I just kind of pat that all over. I didn't take off my eye makeup, but whatever. While that's drying, we're gonna talk about this product. This is the snail mucin I was talking about. This is from CosRx and you can get this on Amazon. I think I paid like $14. Tati made me order this. She talked about it in one of her videos and I was like, I have to try that and I love it. This will probably be a staple in my skincare for as long as I can see right now, just because it's cheap and I really, really enjoy it. So no animals were harmed in the making of this, by the way. No snails. Okay, so then what I do with this is I just take a couple pumps. It's very slimy, because I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So I just kind of take that all over my face and definitely concentrate on the spots I'm going to be using the light, because you kind of want your skin to be, I don't want to say oily, but you want to have some kind of serum on there because it definitely works better. Okay, so then I'm going to turn it on and it just automatically goes to the red, and that's what I'm going to do. So what I do is I just kind of concentrate on like the forehead, and then I do the left side and the right side. And what I have been doing, I've been counting to like counting out a minute on each spot. So I've really only been doing it for like 3 minutes. Sometimes I'll go back and do it a little bit longer, but and I do, whenever it's like really close to my eyes like this, I close my eyes just because I don't want that red light damaging my eyeballs. I'm not feeling the microcurrents. Last night I was really feeling it. After a minute, then I'll switch to under my eyes, and I can definitely feel it starting to heat up now. Now I can kind of feel the microcurrents. It doesn't hurt, it just feels, I don't know, just kind of like you're getting a little shock. Do this for another minute or two, and then I'll switch it over to the other side. And I will say, I watched a couple of videos about this and about people using it, and someone said that she doesn't do her neck because something to do with her thyroid. So that absolutely scared me, because she said something about the light can like, I don't know, it can mess with your thyroid somehow. So I don't even go near my neck, just because I don't really know where my thyroid is. So yeah, I just kind of I'll do like my jawline here, but I stay away from my neck. So just for the heck of it, I'm gonna switch it over to, I'm gonna do the white for a little bit. Oh, I can feel a difference. Just kidding, feels exactly exactly the same. So I don't know about you guys, but I am contemplating getting Botox and I'm really scared to do it. So I figured I want to try all of these other silly little gadgets before I do that. So what are your guys' thoughts? Have you ever done Botox? Do you regret it? Do you love it? Have you ever tried one of these wands? Do you like it? Okay, so that's enough for now. So yeah, that is how I use it. I'm enjoying it. Makes me feel like I'm at the spa. All right, you guys, I hope you have a good one and we will see you all soon. Bye.